Rubble, everything destroyed. 13 years of war, 500,000 gone, half of us scattered. The world calls it ancient, then forgets. But this is Damascus, where a blind...
Across deserts and ruins, beyond the headlines the world has forgotten, lies Syria. Once home to 22 million, now scarred, displaced, and weary of war. And at its heart sits Damascus, a city bombed and broken.
Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those crushed in spirit. 13 years of war, 500,000 dead. We are refugees in our own land. The world forgets us. But this is Damascus.
The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit.
13 years of war, a nation the world forgot.
Do you feel broken and forgotten? Syria, 13 years of war, everything destroyed. Yet Psalm 34 verse 18 says, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Damascus, the place Jesus still transforms. Day 172 of 195. Tomorrow, Taiwan.
Forgotten, abandoned to God is close. Broken, alone to held by God. Ruins, despair to beauty from ashes. World moved on to God remembers. Crushed in spirit to healed by God. Saves those crushed in spirit. That's the token. This is Damascus, where Jesus met Saul on the road alone to held by God.
Blind became seeing, transformation showed.
Not alone, God has known. Close to the broken hearted, close to the broken Lord, the broken God. It's some broken Lord is near where He is. Our worst still to go. You the lost to you by God. Close to the broken hearted, so close to the broken hearted. I got all it seems. Matthew 5:4, blessed are those who mourn today. Revelation 21:4, He'll wipe every tear away. Lamentations 3:22-23, compassion's new each morning light. Nahum 1:7, He cares for us in our plight. Acts 9, Damascus Road with some of Jesus there. Blind for 3 days, broken and scales fell with prayer. Enemy became apostle, broken made complete. Damascus where transformation makes defeat retreat. He sees you, stays true, makes new, breaks through. Close to the broken hearted, close to the broken hearted, close to the broken hearted, close to the broken hearted. Hold out Zion, it's I'm broken hearted. It's near where we stay. Since our voice is heavy, heals and binds our wounds. Isaiah 61:3, beauty from ashes bloom. 2 Corinthians 1, God of all comfort here. Broken hearted, close to the broken hearted, close to the broken hearted, close to the broken hearted. What I started. Psalm 34:18, Lord is close to broken hearted. Saves those crushed in spirit where love started. Isaiah 61:3, heals the broken hearted, bends up their wounds, never departed. Isaiah 61:3, bind up the broken hearted, beauty from ashes, joy imparted.
2 Corinthians 1:3-4, God of all puts us in all troubles from the fore.
In the ruins,
Close to the brokenhearted,
forgotten, in his arms I'm free.
Close to the broken hearted.
Close to
Broken hearted.
broken hearted.
Broken hearted.
Broken hearted. Close to the 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 broken hearted. Heart on sided. Close to broken hearted. Close to the broken hearted. In Damascus rubble, healing has started. Healing has started. Felt alone,
Broken hearted.
in the zone.
Broken hearted.
God has known,
Broken hearted.
never flown.
Broken hearted.
He is near,
Close to the broken hearted.
he is near,
Close to the broken hearted.
he is near,
Close to the broken hearted.
he is near. Felt alone in the zone. In the zone, God has known. God has known. Never flown. He is near.
Close to the broken hearted.
He is near.
Close to the broken hearted.
He is near.
Close to the broken hearted.
He is near.